Well, hello there. Greetings from now the Boardwalk. So just got to the room and figured give you guys a room tour while it's good and clean. And that's the way you want to do room tours, and not when stuff's all in and you gotta clean it out. So I'm gonna take you guys around and show you what it's like, and then we'll also do a little bit of a resort tour as well. So here's the room though. Alright, we have Jeremy here. Hey Jeremy, hey. Okay.
Welcome.
So when you walk in, you got a mirror to the left, and then this is where the food stuff is. So this got a little bit bigger area than Wilderness Lodge did. You got your sink, but you got a whole, space up that way, and then your big fridge in here, of course. And we go this way, and then we have bathroom sink. So the sink's kind of basic, but it's one, but it's got a lot of space up here. I'm sure there's probably hair dryer. Sometimes I put the H2O products in here. It looks like there's just one thing there. The bathroom, so there's no door dividing this, which a lot of the ones you'll see, so there's no door divider, I did notice, but the bathroom's this door here, step-in shower. Toilet, obviously, nothing super fancy. And then I believe this will probably be storage. Oh yeah, so you put suitcases, you want to hang stuff up, extra pillows and blankets, all that good stuff. So this is kind of like the older, I think the more general layout that they used to kind of follow. Then we go into the living space and got a little space to put some clothes. It's 4 drawers. That's broke down there, but it's okay. And then got your bed here. This is, I believe, a queen. And then this guy obviously have to pull out the couch. Got a coffee table. And this is kind of a nice little seating area in front of the TV. And I believe that this can fold out into a bed. I'm pretty sure as well. Right, Jeremy? That folds into a bed, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. So you can fold that out into a bed. To do it, I believe, pull those out.
You gotta hit this right above. Yep, there we go.
Oh, okay. And then that falls down and then turns into a bed. And you got Dumbo back there. So, yeah, so you have it extra. So this technically has a space for, I'm sure it probably lists 5 people could sleep in here with that, maybe 6, somewhere around there. But then when it's not being used, there's a nice little sitting area. And it's got little chairs to go in there. So it's kind of like a mini Murphy bed-ish type situation, but then we got a thinking chair in the corner. Now this is like marble. It is hard. Like that actually worries me about smacking my shin in the middle of the night. You got your end table here. Get some USB outlets in there, which is always useful. And then the walls are, I like that color scheme, like the blue and the white. Definitely very Boardwalkish, a little bit of red hint. Now, nice part about this out on the balcony from this room, bit of head stuff. So we got 2 chairs, and then we can oversee. Get the lawn here where they do the movie stuff, and then out here is the Boardwalk area itself. So, and it's getting foggy, so I'm gonna go back outside. But cool area at night. I'm sure to check stuff out. Gets so foggy. And that's the room. So I'm actually pretty excited about the location, just because you can see the Boardwalk right there. And I think we might even be able to see like movies under the stars, as the case as well. So yeah, so that's the room. So if you got any questions below, hit them in the comments. So see you guys.